Check it.
I get it. I'm not welcome here. I'm used to that now. Back where I come from, I was welcome. I was liked by everyone. My friends, the pack. I'm the real article. What you see is what you get.
Oh, you too?
Yeah, man. It appears they didn't serve animals around here.
Oh, I know what it's like. Listen, I know a place over here.
Oh, really?
Let's go.
Hey man, can I just have a side, please?
Yeah, no problem, mate.
Thank you.
Can I get one too?
I told you what's for a roll. We don't serve rolls here.
Come on, man, let's go.
I'm good here, man.
Don't be an ass.
You're barking up the wrong tree.
Down, down.
know, he need that over there, right? We'd rather give that child that pain injection rather than that live for it. That's what sort of heart he got. You know what I mean? And then poor fucking got for a stroke.
That's it.
You know, he spent his last
We're gonna do this walk in.
One day I should be at the front.
I hope he's stopped anyway.
I'd stay awake for a year for every night that you slept soundly. I'd regret the ones I didn't, wishing you had found me. I'd rip holes throughout the country, hoping you'd drift closer to me. I'd block the sun forever just so you could read by candlelight. I'd agree to everything to make sure that we wouldn't fight. I wanna hold you till it feels like it's been long enough to stop saying I miss you. Stop saying I miss you. I wanna kiss you till you know without me telling you that I will never leave you. I will never leave you. I'd live life without my lights to make sure you're stopped hurting. I'd give up my will